In today's video, we'll be tackling a common issue that many Genshin Impact players face on their iPhones, the insufficient storage space error, specifically error code 9907. This error can be frustrating, but don't worry, I'll guide you through several methods to fix it so you can get back to enjoying your game smoothly. First, let's understand what error code 9907 in Genshin Impact means. This error typically indicates that your iPhone doesn't have enough free storage space to run the game effectively. This can lead to crashes, lag, or difficulty loading game assets. The first step is to check how much storage space you have available on your iPhone. To do this, go to your iPhone settings. Tap on General and then on iPhone Storage. Here you'll see a breakdown of how your storage is being used. Next, clearing the app cache for Genshin Impact can often resolve storage related issue. Go to settings within the game and look for the option to clear cache. This will remove temporary files that may be taking up unnecessary space. If you're running low on storage, consider deleting unused apps or files. Navigate to iPhone storage in settings and identify large or unused app and delete them to free up space. You can also delete old photos, videos or downloads that you no longer need. If you've tried everything and still encountered the error, try reinstalling Genshin Impact may be necessary. To do this, long press on the app icon, tap delete app and then reinstall it from the App Store. Lastly, here are a few additional tips to prevent future storage errors. Regularly check and manage your iPhone storage usage. Keep your apps, including Genshin Impact, updated to benefit from performance improvements and bug fixes. And that's it for today's tutorial on fixing the insufficient storage space error in Genshin Impact for iPhone. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.